Today we're looking at a JSAUX USB-C 6-in-1 multifunction adapter. I bought it for my Steam Deck. 100-watt fast charge, HDMI 4K at 60 Hz, RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet port, 5 gigabytes data transmission. You've got your USB 3, 1, 2, 3, HDMI, USB-C, PD, and then your Ethernet port. This is nice. Heavy, kind of metally, plasticky surface. You've got a rubber protector there, rubber. Here's your USB-C L connector. You've got your international electric changers, adapters. Just slide in and out, and here is the United States, which is where I'm at. So I will be using this power right there. There is not a power indicator. Here is the Steam Deck. Oh, perfect for the Steam Deck. Okay, and then your USB would connect right here. Now we have power coming in. We also have HDMI going out, and you have several different inputs for hard drives, whatever you want to install with it. At this point, you probably will need an external controller, and that's another video. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.